Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of using the drag and drop feature in Brevo. Start by logging into your Brevo account on their website. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you can create and manage your email campaigns. Click on the option to create a new campaign. You'll be guided through the setup process. Select the type of campaign you want to create. Each type has different features and purposes. Give your campaign a descriptive name. This will help you identify it later in your list of campaigns. After naming your campaign, click the Create Campaign button to proceed. Once your campaign is created, you'll see an option to design your email. Click on this to enter the design interface. In the design section, you will find a variety of templates to choose from. These templates provide a starting point for your email. If you prefer a completely custom design, select the option to start from scratch. This will take you to the drag and drop editor. In this editor, you'll see a sidebar with different content blocks like text, images, buttons, and more. You can easily drag these blocks into your email layout. After placing blocks in your email, you can customize them. Click on a block to edit the text, change images, modify backgrounds, and adjust other settings to match your branding. Before finalizing, use the preview feature to see how your email will look to recipients and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your design and content, click the Save button to store your changes. After saving, you can continue to finalize other settings or schedule your campaign for sending. That's how you can effectively use the drag and drop feature in Brevo to create and customize your email campaigns. I hope you found this helpful.